Aloe there. What's up guys, I'm Zach, that's Yosemite. We're continuing on our road trip. We're in Tucson, Arizona. Yesterday and today we explored Saguaro National Park, which is right outside of Tucson. It was absolutely beautiful. There's a big storm going on right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining pretty hard. This may be the first time Yosemite has ever experienced rain. He seems unfazed. But with the weather kind of yucky outside, it seems like a perfect time for me to cut up this aloe leaf that I bought at the grocery store yesterday. Based on the 4 minutes of research I did before starting this video, all I need is a jar and some water to make some homemade aloe lotion. I have my little tiny cutting board, but I have a feeling this will get a little messy, so I laid out some towels. I'm gonna start by cutting off the base of the leaf. My trusty Leatherman multi-tool should do the trick. You can already see the inside filled with gel. Next, I'm gonna cut the sides off. It feels like I'm filleting a fish. I was told if you eat this, it's a laxative, so I definitely don't want the cat getting to it. Hey! Next, I'm gonna use my fingers to peel the skin off. It's very drippy, but we've got a nice little fillet here. And now I'm gonna use a spoon to scoop it into the jar. It's all over my hands, but luckily I plan to use it on my skin anyway, so I'll just rub it in. I've got my jar here. It was gifted to me by my great friend Lily, who gave me some granola for the road when I left Santa Barbara. And I finished the granola, so now I'll reuse it for some aloe. This entire leaf was $1.50 at the grocery store, by the way. It is so slimy. Apart from Saguaro National Park, which was amazing, Tucson is a really cool city. There's an annual gem and jewelry show that's going on right now. This afternoon I stopped by and bought myself a little ring. It's purple, so it matches my hat. Okay, our jar is pretty much full of aloe, so I'm gonna clean up the rest of this stuff. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And ordinarily you would put this in a blender. However, I am obviously in my van and I don't have a blender. So instead, I will just be mixing and shaking vigorously. Not at the same time, of course. It's still pretty chunky, and since I have some spoons to spare, I decided to cut the end off one and put it in there to see if it helps break it up a little bit more. Throwback to my shot put days. I think the spoon helped a lot because it's not chunky at all. Here, let me grab one of my studio lights. All right, let's see how it is. It's really watery and there still are some chunks. Next time I would probably put less water in. But I think it's pretty good. I don't know, I don't have a reference point. Is it good? Tell me if it's good, comment below. Here, you wanna smell it? Yes, I do have hair under my hat. Feels good on my face. I am a little burnt. I think this was successful, yes. So that's my tutorial, how to make your own aloe mash in a van. You need a van, by the way. That's the most important part. I probably should have mentioned it earlier, but you can't make this without a van. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, follow our adventures on Instagram, linked in the description below. And with that, I'll say stay safe, be kind, and go do something that puts a smile on your face. We'll see you next time.